The master shower stall was backing up. The plumber was very helpful in explaining exactly what the problem was. He even showed me on camera the stoppage in the sewer drain. It was determined that the old cement plumbing outside had to be replaced, which they did. Certainly I'd recommend Abacus to family and friends, mainly because they were so cooperative and showed me what needed to be done and did what they said they would do, and they did it in a timely manner and a very friendly manner as well. If I have another plumbing problem, I would certainly call Abacus again.